Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF, where we explore rare and valuable coins from around the world. Today, we've got something truly incredible for you. The 5 francs coin from 1992 with an astonishing value of $79,200 million. What makes this coin so special? Why is it worth so much? Stick around to discover the hidden story behind this rare treasure. Before we jump into the astronomical value of the 1992 5 francs coin, let's take a look at its historical context. The franc has been a part of France's currency system for centuries, originating in the 14th century during the reign of King John II. Over the years, the French franc went through many reforms, and in 1992, France was on the cusp of major economic changes as the country approached the introduction of a euro currency in 2002. At BY 1992, the 5 francs coin was one of the last issued before the euro took over, making it a significant piece of French monetary history. So, why was the 1992 5 francs so special? Let's explore. Next, let's examine the design of the 5 francs 1992 coin. The obverse front of the coin features a portrait of Marianne, a symbol of the French Republic, who has been the embodiment of liberty and the French nation for centuries. Marianne is a widely recognized figure, representing freedom, revolution, and the Republic's values. And on the reverse side of the coin, you'll notice the 5 franc denomination, along with the branch of oak, symbolizing strength and longevity, common in French coinage. This coin was issued during a transitional period in France's history and represents a symbol of the end of the Franc era. Now, we come to the most exciting part. Why is this seemingly simple 5 francs coin for 1992 worth a staggering $79,200 million? Let's break it down. Like any coin, its value is influenced by factors like rarity, condition, demand, and historical significance. But this coin has some unique qualities that make it exceptionally rare. First, let's talk about rarity. The 5 francs 1992 coin was minted in limited numbers, and only a few specimens were produced in high-quality condition, making it quite rare. Even fewer are in mint state condition. That is, coins that are almost brand new and have been preserved without any wear or scratches. Second, the condition of the coin is crucial. Coins in excellent condition, especially those that have been kept in pristine condition for decades, can be worth thousands, if not millions. AMS 69 graded 5 francs 1992 coin can easily fetch astronomical prices. Third, there's demand. As with any collectible item, demand drives up the price. Collectors and investors who are seeking to own a piece of French history are willing to pay top dollar for this rare coin, especially those looking to add high-value items to their portfolios. Lastly, the coin's historical significance adds another layer of value. The 1992 5 francs coin marks the end of the Franc era before the country transitioned to the euro. This transition is a pivotal moment in modern European history, which makes this coin even more desirable to collectors. So, where can you find the 5 francs 1992 coin, especially in such pristine condition? As with most rare coins, there are a few places where collectors search for these hidden treasures. Coin dealers, numismatic fairs, and online auction platforms like eBay and heritage auctions are great places to start. However, when dealing with such high-value coins, always be cautious. Ensure that the seller is reputable, and if possible, get the coin certified by professional grading companies like PCGS or NGC to verify its authenticity and value. Now, let's talk about something that's absolutely vital when it comes to coin collecting: professional grading. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with higher numbers representing coins that are in near-perfect condition. Coins with a grade of MS65 or higher could be worth far more than those with a lower grade. A MS69 graded 5 francs coin, for example, can fetch prices that range in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, whereas a coin that's been poorly kept or has signs of where might only be worth a fraction of its potential value. One of the exciting aspects of rare coins is that their value can fluctuate, often increasing over time. The 5 francs 1992 coin, being so rare and historically significant, is expected to continue appreciating in value as demand from collectors and investors grows. Experts predict that coins like the 5 francs 1992 could see even higher prices in the future, especially as the global market for rare coins continues to expand. If you're thinking about investing in rare coins, this one might be a great option for your collection. For those of you looking to get into coin collecting or expand your current collection, here are some tips to keep in mind. Start by learning about the different types of coins and find a focus for your collection. You don't have to start with high-value items. You can begin with more affordable coins and build your way up. And always be sure to purchase from trusted dealers to avoid counterfeit coins. In conclusion, the 5 francs 1992 coin is a true rarity, and its historical significance, combined with its limited mintage and impeccable condition, makes it one of the most valuable coins from the last days of the French franc. With a value of $79,200 million, it's not just a coin, it's a piece of collector and history. Top 2. The Kuruş is a traditional Turkish currency that was introduced during the Ottoman Empire, originally based on the silver Kuruş. Fast forward to 2005, when the Turkish lira was revalued and the old currency units were replaced, including the Kuruş. Turkey underwent a major currency reform, and the 50 Kuruş coin, as part of the new Lira system, was minted with a distinct design featuring various elements that represent the nation's rich heritage and culture. The 50 Kuruş coin is part of the subunit of the Turkish lira, where 1 lira equals 100 Kuruş. But not all 50 Kuruş coins are created equal, and one particular version has become the talk of the numismatic world. Now let's talk about the 2009 edition of the 50 Kuruş coin. In 2009, the Turkish government minted a series of commemorative and standard issue coins, including the 50 Kuruş. The coin features an image of the Anadolu Selçuklu civilization's architecture, a symbol of Turkey's long and proud history. But what makes this particular coin so valuable? Is it just the year? Not exactly. The 50 Kuruş coin from 2009 is actually quite rare, especially in perfect condition, with a limited number of high-quality specimens circulating among collectors. A combination of rarity, historical significance, and collector demand has skyrocketed the coin's value. So, you're probably wondering, why is this coin worth a jaw-dropping $39,000? Let's break it down. The value of a coin is determined by several factors, including rarity, condition, demand, and historical significance. First, rarity plays a major role. The 2009 50 Kuruş coin was minted in limited quantities compared to other years. Some say that only a few high-quality examples remain in pristine condition, making it an incredibly rare find for serious collectors. Condition is everything in numismatics. Coins that have been well preserved and have minimal wear are much more valuable than those that show signs of heavy use. Coins in mint state condition, often rated as MS65 or higher, can fetch significant premiums in the market. Now, let's talk about demand. Coin collectors and investors worldwide are always on the lookout for rare and unique specimens. The 50 Kuruş coin from 2009, due to its rarity and historical context, has gained immense attention from numismatists. People from Turkey and abroad are actively seeking these coins for their collections, driving up the price. Lastly, the coin's historical significance adds to its value. As we've discussed, the design of the coin reflects a piece of Turkish heritage, paying homage to the rich culture of the Seljuk Empire. This historical connection creates an emotional appeal for collectors, further boosting the coin's value. Now that we know why this coin is so valuable, where can you find it? If you're hoping to add this treasure to your collection, there are a few places to look. Many coin dealers around the world specialize in rare coins, and there are also online platforms, such as eBay and specialized auction houses, where collectors can buy and sell these high-value coins. But be cautious. With such a high value, there are counterfeit coins on the market. Always buy from reputable dealers and ensure you're purchasing a certified coin. Professional grading services like NGC or PGS can help verify authenticity. One of the most interesting aspects of this coin is how its value has evolved over time. Originally, the 50 Kuruş was worth just a fraction of its current value. But as collectors began to realize the rarity and potential of the 2009 issue, demand soared and prices started to rise. Not only does this coin carry historical value, but it has also become a popular investment for those looking to diversify their portfolios. Coins like gold and silver can sometimes serve as a hedge against inflation and economic instability, and the 50 Kuruş coin is no exception. Now, for those of you who are new to coin collecting or just started to get into the world of rare coins, here are some tips to help you get started. Start by setting a budget for your collection. Understand the history and significance of the coins you're interested in. Do your research to learn about the minting process, rarity, and condition. And most importantly, always buy from trusted sources, whether it's a local dealer or a reputable online auction there you have it. The 50 Kuruş coin from Turkey, 2009, is more than just a piece of currency. It's a rare and valuable treasure that holds a unique place in numismatic history. From its historical significance to its skyrocketing value, this coin has certainly earned its place among the elite in the world of coin collecting. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone new to the hobby, this coin serves as a perfect example of how passion and research can lead to discovering hidden gems in the world of numismatics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of rare coins and collectibles. And as always, happy collecting. Until next time, stay curious and keep on collecting.